Hi, I'm Nicole Gainey, the Director of Finance for the City of Deer Park, and I'm excited to announce the launch of our Advanced Metering Infrastructure project, aimed at providing enhanced customer service to our water utility customers. Starting in late March 2024, the City will begin replacing water meters throughout the community with advanced metering infrastructure. A new meter system will provide real-time water usage data, consumption threshold alerts, comparative data, leak alerts, and notifications from the City. Customers can access their consumption data through an internet-based customer dashboard, accessible from any computer, tablet, or smartphone. The implementation of AMI will be a huge benefit to our customers. With the data the new smart meters provide, customers will be able to proactively detect leaks and have a better understanding of their usage. City staff will be equipped to walk customers through their bills using graphs and metrics. It will be a fantastic tool for everyone involved. Join us by tapping into water wisdom.